Welcome to Facebook ad course, and in this course we are going to learn Facebook ad for your real estate business. In just 7 days you can generate your first lead for your real estate business. That's amazing, isn't it? So let's get started. In our first day we are going to see introduction to Facebook ad and learn foundation of Facebook ad. First of all, understand why Facebook ad for real estate business. The main reason is Facebook have 2 billion plus active user, and those all user may use these four main product of Facebook ad. These four main product are Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp and Messenger, right? I'm sure maybe you are also using this app, right? So my motto of telling you is that your customer may also available of this platform, right? Your customer may be available on Facebook, Instagram or any these four platform. One thing I would like to tell you that WhatsApp ad is not coming yet, or we can say that very soon Facebook will launch about WhatsApp ad in depth. Currently in WhatsApp ad you can just redirect people, or you can get a WhatsApp contact to your WhatsApp business currently. Okay, we will see about that in depth ahead, right? So my motto is that your customer is also available on these four main platform, right or not? You can generate lead for potential buyers who can purchase your property. You can generate lead for clients and investor also. So let's move ahead. And if you want to run a successful real estate ad, then you must have these things. What are the things that you must have? Number one is funnel. So basically funnel means lead journey till becoming your customer. That includes lot of steps. We will see about it ahead in depth. Number two is landing page. Landing page is a page where you capture lead or customer can contact you, and that page contains full information about your ad. That's it. You will see about it ahead. Ad copy or creative. Ad copy is a word that sells your property behalf you. We can see content of your ad and landing page. We can understand this by your content of ad or landing page. That's it. Number four is audience. Audience is who you are going to show your ad. Facebook offers insane level of targeting for real estate business or any kind of business. Let's suppose if you are targeting a person who lives in Los Angeles, who is an investor and looking for buying home, and whose age is between 35 to 45. That's it. You can target this type of people for selling your property, right? We will see ahead about how you can target those people, right, in practical videos. Number 5 is offer. Offer is very important. What type of property do you offering to your audience? It is very important. What plans do you offering to your audience? It is very important, right? So we'll see about ahead. So let's get started. It's time to learn most important part of ad, right? This is a funnel marketing. So what is funnel marketing? Funnel marketing is the process of marketing where you set a customer journey for becoming your customer, right? We have seen before about funnel marketing. There is a two best type of funnel for real estate business. There are a lot of funnel available in the market, but two main best funnel I have for you. Number one funnel is that video funnel, and second funnel is real estate funnel. This funnel is created by me for you, right? So I have funnel. So let's see about video funnel first. Alright, so you can create funnel for your business. This is a real estate video funnel you can use, right? So let's see about it. So basically when what you have to do is you have to create a property video, right, where you show your property or whatever you are selling. You have to create video about that, and this is a traffic source, Instagram ad, other ad network or Facebook, right? The traffic comes from Facebook, Instagram and other ad network on your video. People watch your video and they land to your landing page. Landing page means what? Contact page, so people can contact you, and that becomes your lead. And that lead, right, that lead you get. Yes, the another then we have to run a retarget ad, because sometimes people watch your video ad and land your contact page, and they understand your property and all that stuff, but they don't convert, they don't become your lead. So for this you have to retarget them and run an ad. So how you can run an ad? 90% plus or minus people who watch your video, that means the person who watch your almost complete video, that means he is interested in your property. Am I right or not? So for this we are going to show him retarget ad, and then you generate a lead, right? And then what you have to do, as soon as you get lead, you have to send an email and text message for scheduling a meeting. Then you do meeting and then visit property, lead, and then most important thing, after visiting the property and all that stuff, you have to send a reminder, we can say a follow-up email for a 7 time at least. That's a very important number, and text message also, and then your deal close. This part is depend on you. The main part is of funnel is to give you lead, and that all stuff just I'm saying you because you can implement this digital thing, email and text message, all this, but this thing is done by you, right? So this is the main motto of video funnel. That's amazing, and we are going to implement this ahead, right? Okay, so video funnel is very important. So next funnel is that real estate funnel. This funnel is created by me for you. Please watch this video complete and you will learn lot of things. If you have any kind of question, you can contact me or reach out to me, right? And I will surely help you. Funnel is very important, right? I will tell you one thing ahead. I will show you why funnel is very important. Okay, so before that let's understand real estate funnel. So this is a traffic source. You send a traffic on landing page where people can contact you and you get a lead. Landing page contain all information about your property, right? And sometimes someone not convert, you have to show him retargeted. There could be a reason someone is not converted on landing page, so you get a lead after sending a retargeting ad, and you send him email and message and call meeting, phone, and lead say sometime no, then you have to send him 7 is very important for reminder. So that's and if he say yes, then you show property, visit a property. Then the lead maybe say you know and he don't like your property, then what you can do is you can send him a reminder or a next email, 7 email for a showing a next property or telling about him to visit again that property. You may like it. All that this stuff is depend on you, right? And if he say yes, then you deal a close. And you can download this both funnel, right? You may have a link above and down. You can download this funnel and implement, and we are going to implement ahead. Okay, so let's now I would like to show you why funnel is important, right? So let's understand this thing, why people came to Facebook. Number one reason is for fun, right? Number two reason for a business, right? Number three reason could be a social networking, right? And there is a lot of another reason. But have you noticed no one came on Facebook for for property, right? No one came on Facebook or no one open Facebook app for purchasing a property. There is a lot of another website where people can purchase property and find property or land, anything they want. So you have to understand why people came to Facebook. That's very important. People came for Facebook for fun, business and social networking, and this is a very lowest reason people came on Facebook, but the most is here, and you are going to sell this type of people. So how you can sell? That's why you need a funnel. We can say a indirect method of selling. That's it. Funnel is an indirect method of selling. So that's why you have to use this funnel, you have to use this method. That's it. Okay, and I will tell you about that funnel ahead. So that's the funnel information is enough right now. So let's move ahead. The next important thing is that copywriting skill. Copywriting skill is very important, right? So copywriting skill means what? Copywriting skill okay, let me draw something for you. This is a ad. Okay, suppose this is a ad. Okay, this is your ad. Let's suppose this is your video ad and you are talking something about that, and this is a your page. Okay, and this is your content, right? This is a text and here is your button, so people can land your website, and this is ad. Okay, okay, let's draw the landing page. Landing page means contact page where people can contact you, and it also contain your property information, right? Here's your property information, your property about all information details, and here is content contact form, right? So people can click here and they will contact you, right? So this content headline and these all the page content, writing this content, this is very difficult for people not able to write content. They don't know how to write content for their ad and landing page. For this, and this is called a copywriting, simple as simple. On behalf you, word sell your property. Understand this what I am saying you. Here is your ad and this is ad, and this content landing page will sell your property to a prospect, to lead behalf you. Here is a digital communication with your customer. That's why the word you are using in the content, that should be sell content, that should be a amazing content, and this is called a copywriting. People for this writing a copywriting for a ad and all this landing page content, people charging almost about $1,000 $2,300 also for this writing a content based content. Okay, so you want to develop a copywriting skill where you can write a content for your ad and landing page. For this I am giving you a task. So task is write down ad. So what you have to do is, whenever you see a ad, whenever you see a ad on your Facebook, Instagram or anywhere, you have to take a screenshot, or you have to connect, or you have to take a photo of that ad, right? And once you take a screenshot or once you take a photo, you have to analyze this ad. What type of content this ad has been used, what type of content this landing page have, and what makes this ad look more good, and what can make this ad look more good and selling more. All that stuff you have to analyze what makes this ad very good, and write those word, write those ad copy. You have to write this ad copy, whatever you like in this landing page, write it down your notebook. That's it, that's a task, and this is how you can develop your copywriting skill. And periodically you do this task every single day for next 90 days. You can write your ad copy for your ad, and you can write content for your landing page. That's so easy, not hard as much as you think. Just you have to practice the thing. Okay, so let's move ahead and understand the foundation of real estate ad, right? Before creating our real estate ad, it is very important that you understand the foundation of real estate ad. First of all, tax information. In international, in UK and America, on there may use a VAT, value added tax, and in India and America, I think Canada or somewhere, using a GST. Without GST you can run a ad on Facebook. You can run ad Facebook without GST, but without VAT you cannot run ad. For this I will recommend you that take a number according to your country. Maybe your country need a VAT or GST, whatever there is a tax type. Okay, so I will recommend you that have a VAT or GST for your business. Next thing is Facebook page. You cannot run a ad using your profile. You need a Facebook page or business Facebook page. Without Facebook page you cannot run an ad, right? So create a Facebook page and I will teach you how you can create ad account. Ad account means you need a ad account to run an ad, right? Without ad account you cannot run ad. So there is a main two types. One type is personal ad account and second type is business ad account. So what is the difference between business ad account and personal ad account? Let's suppose you have a 2 or 3 business, right? And you have to manage a 3 or more ad for different people, then you have to use a business ad account, right? But if you want to if you have a one business, you can use your personal ad account, and this personal ad account is enough for real estate agent broker to run an ad. That's enough, that's completely enough. Next part we are going to see is a payment method. So you have option for credit card, debit card, and PayPal and other. You can make a payment on your ad account using credit or debit on any of these, right? So this is the payment option you have. And the next bonus point is for you is a AIDA. So what is the AIDA? The bonus point is that attention, interest, desire, and action. It is very you have just understand why people came to Facebook for fun, business, social networking, right? So whenever you create ad, you have to consider a attention first. You have to consider a interest and desire. So first of all you create an ad that attains that grab the attention of people, right? And then make a people interest in your ad, and then make a desire people interest in your ad and they want to contact you. For this you will add a CTA, call to action. For this two people can contact you. This workflow we are going to implement in next upcoming days. So first of all just understand, you have to implement this thing, 4 steps into your ad, and we will see ahead how you can implement. So let's quick recap what you have learned in this day. You have learned a why Facebook ad, successful ad requirements, funnel marketing, copywriting skill, how you can create a copywriting skill or build, and then we have see a foundation of ad, and the bonus point is AIDA. Okay, so thank you so much and see you in day 2, and please watch. If you have any kind of question please ask me, and thank you so much.